Ay guys, yun po guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Elmer Discovery guys. Yan, content po natin ngayon guys. Tulungan natin yung kaibigan natin na yung sasakyan niya ay naubusan ng gasolina. Gasolina guys.
Please.
Huh?
Gas station.
No, I go to work now.
Work?
I'm late, yeah. What happened to no gas?
No gas, yeah.
Oh my God, no gas, man. If I have something gas, I give you, but I don't have
Money to go
any.
gas station.
No, you don't have any like
To go gas station?
Yan po siya guys, nagpapatubil na. Nagpatubil na ang amigo na ko. BMW yung sakiran pero utang gasolina. So, usahay po, tubangan na to amigo. Utang gasolina. We need kasi amigo, silingan, kapitbahay, tulungan din natin kasi kapitbahay natin eh. Oh, good?
Yeah.
How much?
I put 22. Yeah, and after I'm gonna come with my car here,
Only how many days? That only one day.
Yeah. No smelling this one, I didn't throw out on it.
No,
Yeah.
it's okay, don't worry. BMW is very greedy gasoline, no?
Who?
That car?
Which car?
Your car is not greedy gasoline.
It's before that one.
Yeah, before very greedy.
No too much gas, no too much gas.
Yeah.
I put $20, I go home and back.
Oh, wow, good.
It's before only twin turbo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this car is not moving. Fortunately, you saw me.
Yeah, it's good, I saw you, yeah.
You have a problem. When I get
Yeah, but if next time
hey, it's better I will buy a motor, motor.
yeah, next time you need help, I help you,
Yeah, it's okay, as a brotherhood,
Yeah.
Neighbor, we need to help each other,
Yeah.
Don't
Exactly,
worry, if I
yeah.
have a time, I will help, right?
Yeah.
If I don't have any time, I
Exactly,
cannot
yeah.
help you.
That's
But
true.
now I still have a time for you. Yeah, give and take,
Yeah. Too much magantas outside.
Hey, save to my vlog.
Hey.
Discovery, my friend here. Hey, my
You
name
doing
is here.
Live? That's live?
No, not live. It's busy.
My beer.
It's okay.
Big beer. I had it bigger, but I got it, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I make it smaller, yeah.
Oh,
Like
it's
chicken,
good. It's
yeah.
good. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yes, come over there. Just thinking go to lift.
Lift?
Because he stopped long.
Yeah.
He stopped long. Guys.
You put this one on because if somebody hit, yeah?
Huh?
You make this one of accident, yeah?
Yeah, sometimes you make an accident, but here I can like this. No super, the building, our building no super, huh?
Yeah? There is no super?
Also, our building cheap, very cheap salary. That's why
Yeah?
only the new super living because they looking for.
But I know, which guy I know who owns the building. You know that guy?
Yeah,
Who owns the building?
Rogelio.
His name is Orhan.
Ah, yeah,
Orhan. A small guy.
ah, yeah, the owner.
Yeah, owner of the building.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah.
you saw that guy?
Yeah.
He's good guy, yeah.
No good.
Not good.
I was smoking in the stairs cigarette
Ah, yeah.
and he see me. But I didn't know like he's the owner.
owner.
Yeah. And I still smoking and he come.
Yeah.
Then he told me, hey, put that cigarette and throw it out. I tell him,
It's the gold. It's
I tell him, who are you?
I did not yet meet the owner to this building.
I tell him, who are you?
Small guy or big guy?
Small guy.
Small guy?
Yeah, and he's fucking office without like this paper and like writing everything, you know.
Oh, yeah? Ah, no, it's okay.
He's the owner. He told me, he showed me even the license. He don't show me like the building.
They cannot kick you out because you know.
You know, he see me.
It's not really.
He see me 3 times. Like I.
Car is here,
He
right?
did it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, brother.
Thank
Hopefully you enjoy your.
Driving. Thank you.
Okay, my friend. Take care. Okay.
Let me forget again. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Okay guys. Sana natong isakluluhan natong mga kuan ba, atong silingan kay nahutdan og gasolina in taon, luoy kayo. Katabang. Sa man akong kuan tabon man. Tabon man sa kuan. Kamera. Mana silingan magtinabang ay, di ba? Wapo tayo sakinan, BMW to. Yung sakinan niya. BMW yung sasakyan niya guys. Matakaw din magasupan. Kain ng gasolina. Sakaw, kain ng gasolina. Okay guys, yan lang po ang ating content ngayon guys. If you like my video guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Elmer Discovery. You can share it. Yan, matagal na po tayo hindi nakapag upload guys. Thank you very much.